Okay, so we're in the MGM on the Macau side, and actually there used to be a giant aquarium in the middle. I haven't been here in a while, and they kind of have these references, Patio du Mart, which is kind of a cool name, but they used to have a mart right here too, like a little mart, you know, like a Circle K, Kmart, 7-Eleven kind of thing. So yeah, now it's totally different. We're just going to capture it real quick, but this is the lobby of the MGM, and there used to be a giant aquarium right in the middle, and I don't know what happened to it. I can only speculate, but maybe I'll speculate in a minute. But this is actually the inside of the MGM at nighttime. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So we're on the MGM lobby, which had a giant aquarium right here, and it's funny, there's like no evidence of it whatsoever, and they have all these lions here now instead. I guess MGM lions, kind of from France. Huh. They got some emblems as well. Chinese. The Renjing. Huh. So that's kind of after something of Beijing opera. Peking opera. Yeah, quite a bit different than before. Oh, this one has a Bruce Lee right there. So actually, that is really cool. That's a really cool sculpture. The Bruce Lee is in the that looks really cool. Okay. So what we're gonna do is just kind of stroll through inside the MGM a little bit. Let's kind of see what some of the references are. So I guess they're from different places. So this is a France one with the hands. This one is another France one. Another France. So I guess that one is a couple of them are China. This one's China. So maybe it's kind of some joint with France and China. Here we go. I like this one. That looks really cool. That is a nice one. So pretty cool. So it looks like they have all these different displays here now. So all the aquarium is gone now, and it's all sculptures that are from China and from France. And then actually I have walked up in here before too and filmed. So there's also some pretty nice actually those are all like a veneer, so they're actually not let's kind of go in. So because of the casinos in here, I won't be able to take the camera too far into it. And also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link it to the past MGM, because I've gone in here other times and filmed, but I used to always do it when they had the aquarium. So this is my first time to come in here without it. That's it. That's actually right. This casino actually has a lot of artwork in it. Used to be a club here called Lion Bar. Had live music. That's gone. I can't get too close to the casino part, but this one has Sadecitos. Oh, Mexicano. So you got Mexican coins. A Mexican coin with an eagle. Australian dollar. Yeah, I think I've heard about this one before. I think that actually has possibly real gold in it. So that was our spot down there. Lion Bar used to be there, but that's been gone for 7 or 8 years already. And we're gonna go straight down this way. And yeah, I haven't been in the inside of MGM in quite a while, so. And I can't go into the gambling area, so I was actually intentionally avoiding the gambling areas because I'm not allowed to go bring the camera in there. So let's see. This one right here has some pretty cool artwork on the walls. So I don't know if I can capture it. Okay. They have some really nice artwork. So you can see some artwork on that wall right there. But there's a party there, so I don't want to film it. I don't want to highlight it. But this is known for its artwork. There's another one coming up here too, but I think there's people above that as well. So you can see that particular one right there as well. So that's an example of some of the artwork in this particular restaurant. Let's see. And then you got all your high-end stuff, like Coach, Brunelli, all those things. Yeah, actually this particular casino on the MGM side, I think actually both of them, they have all the high-end stuff. So if people are high-end spenders, they kind of put all their effort into the high-end market, so you can see that with the artwork and also with the shopping as well. So let's just kind of walk around. We're gonna go down this way in a moment. Okay, and we're gonna be heading out in a second as well. But yeah, you kind of have the shopping mall, and I think I'm gonna just it's raining outside, so, and it's dark outside, but I think I'm gonna bring the camera out anyways. But before I do, there's some more artwork here too. Pablo Picasso. It looks kind of cool. So yeah, this particular casino has a lot of artwork everywhere. Yo, self-portrait after Pablo Picasso. Okay. So I guess it's kind of a theme. Pablo Picasso paintings in glass. So yeah, a lot of them do have some good artwork. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go outside and we're going to just show you the outside part. It's raining really heavy, but I think it'd be a good way to give a conclusion to the video. There's some more artwork here. There's a golden lion down that way and a golden one here too. And we're going to head on out. And we're gonna go to the waterfront. So there's Wind Casino across the street, Grand Lisboa, and there's some other ones down that way as well. There's I forget the name of that one with the blue Star World Casino. And I'm just gonna take you to the waterfront, and then we're gonna just highlight down the casino. So I haven't filmed over here in a while, so I think it's probably been about 2 years. So this would be a good update for the viewers. There's some more artwork right there too, and then right there is Macau Tower. So you got Macau Tower, and you got the bridge that goes to Taipa as well. And you got this beautiful walkway, and sometimes I do see like art displays, art exhibitions, events. That would be right here, which, as you can imagine, is very picturesque. And there's Yoho Treasure Island. That's the newest edition that's not quite open yet, but they built this right here. So I think that'll be kind of a shopping mall, which will bring in a lot of tourists from these casinos to it. Right there is Peña Church. That used to be, you can see some old paintings from 100 years ago, 200 years ago, where that was one of the highest structures in the city. Of course, now you got all kinds of stuff that's higher. Macau Tower, for example. And way in the distance is Hengqin Island, which is kind of kind of called the New Macau a little bit. It's basically a new part that's co-done with mainland China that mainland Macau residents are moving into, and there's an agreement for that. So anyways, this is the MGM right here. Hope you enjoyed it. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.